Hello YouTube, this is Amit again. I just did a little bit more modding, more like putting Lubics inside my new VCube, and I noticed some stuff that I want to share with you. First of all, if you see the torpedoes, when I took it apart, I see something very interesting. Just a second, let me use the flashlight. Half of the side parts have no torpedoes at all, and half of them have the torpedoes. I have no idea why it is, but this is the way the cube comes with. And if you'll see, there is one part. Where it is? There it is. I hope that you can see that. Let me see if I can. Focus on that. The torpedo actually broke from one of the pieces. Here, this is. Better, I guess. It's actually broke. And this look like a very poor quality of cube, because it will never happen with my Zanchi or something like that. And I saw that someone wrote that it's happened to another guy. I don't remember his name, but yeah. So even the Lubics didn't help the cube. And that's it. I'll just reassemble it and make an average of 5 video for you. Thanks.